A young man stands before the judge after violating probation multiple times, failed drug tests, curfew violations, and repeated misconduct. But just when it seems his future is over, the judge uncovers a shocking detail that changes everything. Will he get one last chance, or will he be sent to prison for years? Stay until the end to see the judge's unexpected decision.
It's going through the program in custody, but it means getting through the aftercare and everything else successfully. If you do all of that, then you're still on these deferred probations. You still don't have felony convictions on your record. This is, again, the opportunity of your lifetime right now for you to make the changes and do the right thing. If you don't, and you come back in here, then you are going to end up with 2 felony convictions, and you're going to end up going to TDC for up to 10 years in one case and state jail prison for up to 2 in that case. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me explain something else. I am also now making it a condition of your probation that you treat the staff and the correctional officers at our jail and at safety and wherever you are with respect, and you follow all of the rules when you're incarcerated. That means if I get another incident report before you get to state jail, before you get to safety, it's already a violation of your probation. They're going to let me know, and you're never even going to make it to safety. You're going to be right back in here and looking at going to prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So the way you're talking to them at our jail, you cannot keep doing that. You cannot keep arguing. You can't keep fighting. You can't keep saying, F that, I don't care, things like that. Okay? And you're looking at me like you're confused that maybe you didn't do these things, but this is what I have. Every time you act up, every time you tell someone, if you're going to send me out, just do it, F that, or whatever it is, that's disrespectful.
Yes, ma'am.
All right? They're just trying to go there and do their job every day. Hopefully someday that's what you want to do. Get out of jail, go to work, and not have somebody treating you like this when you're at your job. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you'll sign some paperwork today for safety, and okay, I guess just obviously by what I'm looking at, that seems, am I looking at the right thing? Dakota Chapman? The first violation is that he committed the offense of murder?
That has been a bad.
That was not.
Yeah, go.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
We started with that stat.
We're just going to go to safety. And, okay. So
That was then decided. Here's.
let's do this. I'd like to go ahead and go through the motions, get pleas are true or not true to the remaining counts. And then obviously if you guys have an agreement, we'll look at that. But I think I want to go through and have those pleas on here.
And that came at the recommendation of his supervisor.
Okay.
I'm sure it has much more information for the court as well.
That's good. Thank you. If you want to print this second, I'll just do the first one on here. All right. Well, he waived the formal reading of the motion in each case. Mr. Chapman, in clause number 23, DCCR 1077, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. This shows that you were placed on probation May 6th of 2024 for the offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle, a third-degree felony, and that was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And then in clause number 23, DCCR 1078, I also have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. This shows that you were placed on probation May 6th of 2024 for the offense of accident involving injury, a state jail felony, and that was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that also correct? And so the state is going to abandon in each case count 1, correct?
Correct, Judge, based on the comments of the grand jury.
So, Mr. Chapman, in each case, the motions allege you violated your probation. Count 2 in each case alleges that you failed to work faithfully at suitable employment and provide verification of that. And is that true or not true? Count 3 in each case alleges that you provided a urine sample March 12th of 2025 that tested positive for cocaine. Is that true or not true? Count 4 alleges that you provided a sample September 3rd of 2025 that tested positive for methamphetamines and amphetamines. Is that true?
True.
Count 5 in each case alleges that you admitted to your probation officer to using the illegal drug ecstasy December 3rd of 2025. Is that true or not true? I'm sorry. Count 6 alleges in each case that you were at a location other than your residence at approximately 1:53 a.m. December 21st of 2025. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count 7 in each case alleges that you failed to successfully complete the defensive driving course as ordered. Is that true or not true?
True.
Count 8 in each case alleges that you were behind in your court assessed fees. And is that true or not true?
True.
Did you enter your pleas of true in each case to counts 2 through 8 freely and voluntarily? And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true? So it's my understanding, Mr. Chapman, that the recommendation is that I continue your probation and order you to enter and successfully complete the special needs safety. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
Is there any reason to get any type of pre-sentence report or update?
Only at the court's discretion, Judge. The officer, Ms. Valier, has already prepared for the court the continuation and modification of that special condition if the court would like that to be signed off on today. Otherwise, I'm sure she'd be happy to do a quick update.
If it's her recommendation, we'll just go ahead and go forward. So
I think that was, I'm sorry to interrupt, I think that was done prior to count 1 that we see, which obviously caught everyone's attention and just took that immediately off the table. But
Right.
So that was no bill. I think that's when she finds herself back in the same position.
So, Mr. Chapman, you're getting your second chance today.
Yes, ma'am.
There's not going to be a third. Okay. You need to take advantage of this. I don't know what happened. The night of December 21st of 25, obviously it was no bill as far as the offense, but you were clearly somewhere you shouldn't have been doing some things you shouldn't have been doing, right? If you had been home during curfew, you never would have been charged with anything. There wouldn't have been any issue of whether or not you did anything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I want to make sure you understand, if I go along with this and send you to safety, you're going to get some tools so that you can hopefully stop using drugs, do the right thing, live your life like the rest of us, and not end up in prison. Do you understand all that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So at this time in each of your cases,
I don't know how the court would feel about an extension, Judge, based on the age.
yeah. So at least in the evading, I'm going to do that. I'm also we're going to talk a little about the jail incident reports as well, just a
Yes,
minute.
ma'am.
So I'm going to find in each of your cases that you entered your pleas of true to counts 2 through 8 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true. Find sufficient evidence in each of your cases to revoke your probation. But I'm going to go along with this agreement today, and I'm going to continue your probation in each of your cases. In clause number 23 DCCR 1077, I am going to extend your probation by 2 years. And I'm going to order in each of your cases that you enter and successfully complete safety. That obviously means, I think that's it as far as adding the condition. So add 2 years in the one case and the condition with regard to being successful and not being disrespectful.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. You can go back with the bailiff. And here's that.
Against all odds, he walked out of that courtroom with a second chance, but the judge made one thing crystal clear: there will never be a third. Do you think he'll turn his life around, or end up back before the court? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoy real courtroom stories, powerful judge moments, and unbelievable legal cases, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and join us for more videos every week.